Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 3, Sourcing Products and Services, Section 7, Supplier Evaluation and Selection, Lesson 6, Example Supplier Scorecard. Example Supplier Scorecard. As we've learned, a supplier scorecard is a strategic tool used to evaluate, manage, and communicate performance expectations with a supplier. It moves beyond just price to provide a balanced view of the supplier's overall value and health. Below is a complete example of a supplier scorecard for a fictional company, Greenleaf Organics, a small retailer of organic body care products. They are evaluating one of their key packaging suppliers, EcoPack Solutions. Greenleaf Organics, Supplier Scorecard. Supplier name, EcoPack Solutions. Period. Q1 2024, January 1st to March 31st. Category, glass bottles and pump caps. Reviewer, Sarah Chen, Procurement Specialist. Date of review, April 15, 2024. Scoring key, 4 equals exceeds expectations, consistently surpasses targets. 3 equals meets expectations, consistently meets targets. 2 equals needs improvement, occasionally misses targets. 1 equals critical, consistently fails to meet requirements. 1. Quality, weight, 35%. Metric target actual score comments. Defect rate less than 0.5%, 0.3%. 4. Excellent quality this quarter. Slight improvement from previous period. Return rate less than 1.0%, 0.8%. 3. Within acceptable range. 3. Minor returns for cosmetic scratches. ISO 9001 compliance certified. 4. Current certification on file. Audit passed with no major non-conformances. Total quality score 3.7. Quality notes. The supplier's new quality control checkpoint at their factory has clearly reduced defects. Continue to monitor the cosmetic scratches issue, though it remains below the threshold. 2. Delivery and logistics, weight, 30%. Metric target actual score comments. On-time delivery, OTD, 98%, 96%. 2. Missed target by 2%. 2 out of 25 shipments were 3 and 5 days late due to a raw material shortage at their supplier. Order accuracy 100%, 100%. 4. All quantities and SKUs were correct. Invoicing was accurate. Lead time, in days, 14 days, 14.2 days. 3. Average lead time increased slightly but remains close to target. Total delivery score 2.9. Delivery notes. The missed OTD target is a concern. The root cause was an upstream supplier issue. We need to discuss their contingency planning for raw material shortages to prevent recurrence. 3. Commercial, weight, 20%. Metric target actual score comments. Price competitiveness in line with market plus 2% above 2 prices are slightly above the current market average for comparable glass packaging. Cost reduction ideas 2 per year. 1. No cost saving initiatives or value engineering ideas were proposed this year. Payment terms net 30, net 34 terms are being adhered to by both parties. No invoicing disputes. Total commercial scored 2.1. Commercial notes. The supplier is no longer cost competitive. This, combined with a lack of proactive cost-saving ideas, is a significant area for improvement. This will be a key topic in the quarterly review meeting. 4. Relationship and responsiveness, weight, 15%. Metric target actual score comments. Responsiveness to inquiries less than 24 hours. 4 hours AVG. 4. Their customer service team is excellent and very responsive to our purchasing team. Problem resolution less than 5 days. 7 days. 2. While communication is fast, solving complex issues, like the scratched bottles, took longer than our target last month. Technical support available. 3. They have a good technical team, but they are sometimes hard to schedule for joint quality calls. Total relationship score 3.0. Relationship notes. Communication is a strong point. However, the time to resolve problems needs to be shortened. We should establish a clearer escalation path for technical support. Overall scorecard summary. Category weight. Category score. Weighted score. Quality 35%, 3.71.30. Delivery and logistics 30%, 2.90.87. Commercial 20%, 2.10.42. Relationship and responsiveness 15%, 3.00.45. Total weighted score 100% 3.04, meets expectations, action plan and key takeaways. Overall performance. EcoPack Solutions is A, meets expectations, supplier overall, score, 3.04. Their quality and communication remain strengths. However, performance is trending downward due to declines in delivery reliability and commercial competitiveness. Key issues to address. Cost competitiveness. Their pricing is now 2% above market. Request a formal cost breakdown and negotiate for market-aligned rates or find areas for cost reduction. On-time delivery. Missed the 98% target. Understand the root cause of the upstream material shortage and request their plan for mitigating such risks in the future. Value-added innovation. Their lack of cost-saving ideas is noted. We will encourage them to participate in a joint workshop to identify value engineering opportunities. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.